Hello, my name is Rocio Mesa and I go to Social Justice High School, and my topic is the underrepresentation of women in the STEM field. And so the STEM field stands for Science, Technology, Engineering, and Mathematics. And I chose this because I personally am going into the STEM field. I hope to major in biology and maybe become a researcher. And so I was wondering of the difficulties I would have to overcome. And I was also curious to know why not a lot of women want to pursue a career in the STEM field. And so what I learned so far in my FIRE project was a lot about the stereotype threat. I don't know if you guys are familiar with the stereotype threat, but the stereotype threat basically is right before you take a test, you're either reminded of your race or your gender, and by doing so it affects you for you to score significantly less than other people who weren't told that. And so for me it was very surprising that even though we don't personally internalize the gender bias, even though by just someone saying it right before a test, it can affect us. So confidence has a lot to do with our test scores. And so also what I did in my project was I did an experiment. I showed women, seniors and freshmen, two different videos. The first video was a Mythbusters video. It was about MRIs and tattoos. And so basically it made science look cool, it made science look fun. And so that was just one type of advertising that I could show. And the second video that I showed them was a L'Oreal video. So it was a very feminine, it was a very girly video. It showed women in lab coats. It showed them having fun. It was just very feminine. And so the point of that experiment was to see if we want to encourage more women in the STEM field, what approach should we take? Should we take a more feminine approach by trying to make things more pink, appealing to them through cosmetics? Or should we take a more general and broad approach by making science look more appealing, cool, and fun? And so basically what I found out in my results was that neither one video was more favorable than the other. And so for me, I think that this is very important to know because gender sort of puts us in a box. And so I feel like a lot of people in society are assigned gender roles. And so immediately we think that if we want to attract more girls, we have to add more pink stuff, we have to make things more girly, but that's not necessarily the case. The case is that women are just very different. You know, we like very different things, and I think this is a very important topic, mainly because only 25% of the STEM field includes women, but yet women make up more than 50% of the population, and so we're practically just missing out on so many intelligent, wonderful women. And so I think this is why my topic is important.